Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this blue cut crease. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Yeah, today we are going to do an eye look and face. So today I am going to be creating a blue cut crease. This is something I've never done before, so bear with. But first I'm going to start with primer, even though we're going to go straight on to the eyes first, but I like getting primer out of the way. So I'm going in with the Primark Primer Water. It's only £2 and it's actually quite good. This just hydrates your skin, gives you a nice primer for the face, and it's great for dry skin. It's also good for oily skin, but dry skin is even better. I have already applied my eyebrows, but I am going to carve them out. Okay, so hopefully I don't do this all video, but sorry if I do. First I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair, and I'm going to just carve the lower part of my eyes just for now. I'm just going to use the Real Techniques detailer brush. I'm going to zoom in. I do need to pluck my eyebrows, just to let you know. They are a little bit overgrown, and yes, I do pluck them myself because I do not trust anyone else, because the last time I went to get my eyebrows done they shaved them all off, well, they plucked them all off. I'm also going to take this down on my eyelid to use as a base. I'm going to take a Morphe M438 and the Too Faced powder. Okay, so then after that I'm going to take some tape. You can take any type of tape you want. I just got sellotape. And I'm going to place it on the back of my hand so stickiness kind of goes off a little bit. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm doing yet. I know I'm doing a blue, like royal blue kind of look. I am all over the place in this video already. So I am going to be going in with quite a few eyeshadow palettes. I have the Morphe 35B, I have some from NYX, I have some Makeup Geek. First I'm going to go in with the NYX palette. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with this kind of minty green blue shade. It's more of like a blue from the NYX Brights palette. This is actually a really good palette. And I'm going to focus this in my crease. Okay, so I want to take this shade quite high, so I'm going to blend it in my crease and then make sure I blend it high. I'm feeling this video is going to be a long one. Kind of wish I went in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, which is a white shade. I think that would have looked nice. Okay, so that's that shade. Okay, so then going into the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to take this blue shade right here. And I'm going to concentrate this in the crease, more in the crease. Okay, so because I want more of a vibrant royal blue, like a cobalt blue, I'm going to take the shade from Makeup Geek in Neptune, which is this shade here, and then on the same brush we were using for the Morphe shade, and again focus that on the outer and the crease, because I'm going to be going in like a swoop kind of thing. I need to follow where I will be going and not concentrate on the lid. Now I've basically finished my second year of uni. I finished on Monday. I want to concentrate on creating really colourful and creative looks, because I do enjoy creating these looks and I love looking at inspiration on Instagram. So if you got any really good Instagrammers who do vibrant makeup looks, then let me know, because I'd love to recreate their makeup looks and tag them in there in my photos. That would be great. So comment down below some good Instagrammers or YouTubers. I'd love to see some YouTubers. Before I make that colour a little bit more intense, I'm going to go back into the minty shade because I don't want to lose any colours, and I've kind of lost that a little bit, so I'm going to go over this slightly. Okay, so then I'm going to go straight back into that Neptune shade from Makeup Geek, start continuing back into the crease. Just taking your time, building up that shade and getting it as intense as you can. Not worrying about the lid space. As you can see, it's like made a shape, but I'm going to be carving all that out anyway, so don't worry about that. I'm doing my sister-in-law's makeup on Saturday and I'm so excited because I have only ever done my mum's makeup, my sister's makeup and my friend's makeup, so I'm excited to do someone else's I haven't done before, and maybe consider doing some makeup artistry on other people, clients maybe. I'm not entirely sure yet, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so next I'm going to try and carve out that area. So I'm going to take that Tarte Shape Tape and place it on the back of my hand again, and with the detailer brush from Real Techniques, okay, so I've gotten some makeup remover and some little swabs, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get all the blue off because I want this to be as clean as possible. Now I'm going to take more of that concealer and place it on here. Okay, so I wish I would have dipped it a little bit more by here, but for my first attempt, I don't think that's bad. Now I'm going to go and set that again with the Too Faced powder. Really gently tap that on. And what I'm going to do now to clean up the area is go in with a white shade on a flat brush. I'm going to take the white in the Morphe 35B palette. Just use that all over the area that I just concealed, just to brighten it a little bit more. Once I've done that and made it as white as possible, I'm going to remove this gently. I'm not sure why I did tape, because I'm going to be blending it into the foundation anyway. Concealer, maybe for like the sharp line, I don't know. Like I said, I'm experimenting and all that jazz. Okay, so I'm going to do this eye and I'll be back. Okay, so I've just done my whole base without it even recording. Okay, I'm on the powder at the moment. Okay, so I used for foundation I used the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 10 Ivory, and I also mixed in the Body Shop Lightening Drops because it's a little bit too dark for me. And then for concealer I used the Tarte Shape Tape, and now I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way powder, loose powder, and I'm just blending that into my whole face. Can't believe I wasn't recording. It went click and I knew that it wasn't recording. Damn it. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with bronzer. I'm going to take the Body Shop bronzer in 01. Looks like this. I'm running out.
Race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly.
Okay, so next I'm going to go in with, I don't think I'm going to do blusher today. I think I'm going to leave that. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the NYX Matte Finish Spray. And then I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Pressed Powder Highlighter. I'm going to go in with this because it's quite a white shade and I think it'll go good with the eyeshadow look. Why are people so loud? So this is Essel Voss Play. Never going to know what that actually means. Okay, so taking a small brush, I'm going to go onto the eyes and I'm going to do my brow bone and make sure I highlight that inner corner really, really well. Okay, so I've zoomed you in again. I'm going to go back into that mint green shade on an Morphe M507 brush and I'm going to take that under the lash line. I'm now going to take the shade from Makeup Geek called Neptune and just smoke that out on my lower lash line as well. So now I'm going to take the eye pencil by Makeup Geek in Cobalt, which is a nice blue shade, and I'm going to pop that on my waterline. Okay, so the lashes I'm going to apply today are the Tatty Lashes in TL24. Sorry. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the lash glue to dry, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. Okay, so that's the eyes. They don't look perfect, but okay, so last but not least is lips. So I'm going to use the MAC lip pencil in Strip Down, which is a nice nude shade. And then for lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Luxe lipsticks, which look like this. I'm going to go in the shade with the shade Appy, which is a nice, again, nude shade. I thought it would go really well with MAC Strip Down. Okay, so my camera's battery's flashing, so I think I'm going to leave it like that. So that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this look. It's very different, it's very blue and dramatic. I love it to the moon and back. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.